Okay, this is the new Merkle-Korff gearbox motor. It's newer. I don't know exactly how new, but it does have the sealed motor shaft. The shaft to the auger is not sealed. It is a little bit quieter than the older ones. I can turn that on. You can hear it running. I just happened to get this from a friend so we can see how this one fares as far as quality. Where it's a newer motor, actually it's brand new, it should last quite a while, but I know that it's more pricey than the multi-products motor that I got, and it still may last just as long. So it's always something to think about and listen to and judge for yourself. Thank you.